How to fix network connection error on CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. If you log into CapCut and you get this error here, what may be happening is that your network is not working properly. So what you will do is go to the network at the bottom right corner. You'll go to Manage Wi-Fi Connections, and here it will verify that your network is connected, and if it is, you go to More Wi-Fi Settings options. You'll tap on Get Help, wait for it to load, and then go to Troubleshoot Wi-Fi Issue in Windows 11. Here you'll go to Can't Connect to the Internet, and then go to Troubleshoot My Network or Wi-Fi automatically. You'll click there, and this will restart your Wi-Fi network. After this, your Wi-Fi problem should be solved. If not, what you can do is go to Start on your PC, search for Microsoft Store, and you'll search for a VPN. Download it and activate it. Once you have done so, you'll simply load the CapCut app again, and it should be working properly by now. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.